Today, we're visiting Felfela Restaurant, one of Cairo's most unique and visually stunning dining experiences. From the moment you see the sign outside, you know this isn't just another place to grab a meal. As we walk inside, take a look around. Every corner seems to tell a story. The restaurant is famous for its incredible decor, which combines traditional Egyptian architecture, Islamic design influences, handcrafted woodwork, antique lanterns, colorful stained glass, and countless artifacts that look like they belong in a museum rather than a restaurant. Some visitors say it feels more like exploring an old Egyptian palace rather than sitting down for lunch. The atmosphere is intentionally designed to celebrate Egypt's rich cultural heritage. Instead of modern minimalism, Felfela embraces the beauty of the past. Look at the carved wood, the ornate metalwork, the arches, the hanging lamps, and the intricate details hidden throughout the building. You can easily spend an hour just looking around and still miss something. The restaurant itself has been a Cairo landmark for decades and has welcomed both locals and visitors from around the world. Many travelers seek it out not only for the food, but for the experience. It's one of those rare places where the building becomes part of the meal. And speaking of meals, after wandering what feels like a living art gallery, it's finally time to sit down and enjoy lunch. Joining me today is my wife Nadine, who was born in Egypt and always enjoys introducing me to places that showcase the country's history and culture. One thing I love about travel is discovering places that leave a lasting impression. Sometimes it's a famous monument, sometimes it's a beautiful beach, and sometimes it's a restaurant that manages to capture the spirit of an entire country through its architecture, atmosphere, and attention to detail. Felfela isn't just serving food. It's preserving a piece of Egyptian culture and inviting guests to step inside and experience it for themselves. So if you ever find yourself in Cairo, this might be one stop you won't want to miss. Would you come here for lunch? Let me know in the comments. And as always, join us, shall you? This is FERGUNIZED, signing off. Bye.